AKV. The AKV is a 9mm AK pistol. It's modeled after a design that was made for a now disbanded group of Russian special forces called Vityaz. So while the charging handle, the mag release, and the body of the pistol will remind you of a classic AK design, once you get to looking at the modern modifications that we've put into this, you'll see that the PSA AKV is a pistol all its own. So it's a blowback design with features very similar to a standard AK-47 that you might already be used to. There is an extended finger latch on the throw lever for your safety. The AKV is designed to work with CZ Scorpion style magazines, a magazine with a 35 round capacity. It will ship with one of those, and we will have more available for you for just $19.99. There's a last round bolt hold open feature here, a bolt catch and release on the side, and when you pull the pistol's hinge top cover open, you'll see what appears to be a piston attached to the carrier. That's actually a weight, which is helping with a variety of functions, including overall balance, feed, and recoil management. We've run the pistol in a variety of setups with a variety of ammunition, both suppressed and unsuppressed, ball ammo on the range, jacketed hollow points, plus P, you name it. We have fed it through the pistol, and we're really happy with the results we've seen so far. The pistol is available in a classic furniture setup, Magpul furniture setup, and we have side folding pistol braces coming as well.
How we doing, folks? Graham Rockwell with Ruger Firearms here. We're here to talk about our newest gun, the PC Charger. Launched over the last few years, we've had the 9mm PC Carbine and the PC Carbine chassis system. This is our new pistol version, the PC Charger. A lot of the same great features as the PC Carbine. We have the interchangeable mag wells, ships with an SR magazine, but with the included mag well, you can use Glock magazine. It's got the same dead weight blowback action with the tungsten weight, as well as ambidextrous controls. Similar to the PC chassis system, the PC Charger also has the built-in Picatinny rail in the back here, which makes it brace ready, AR grips, and on the PC Charger, we have a 6.5-inch barrel. It's rated .28, so you can put on any of your muzzle accessories or suppressors. On the hand grip itself, it's still a takedown model. We've actually incorporated the takedown mechanism into the hand grip itself, and we have M-LOK accessory rails at the 3, 6, and 9 position, and a factory-installed hand stop at the 6 o'clock position. So if you're interested in checking out the new 9mm PC Charger pistol, check out Ruger.com or visit your local firearms retailer.